Toyota here with 140,000 miles, in desperate need of a headlight restoration. Typical sunburned tops. The faces are all hazed out, yellowing. The passenger side and the driver's side look the same. Really bad. Really bad, see? But don't worry, we made it look like $1 million. Look at this. Awesome, right? They look great for that miles. BrowardHeadlightRestoration.com, 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We come to your home, office, work. Give us a call, text us the pictures of your headlights, and we'll get back to you. Look at that, beautiful. 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. Thank you.